Hello and welcome to my installation. My name is Tamara and here you can find an infinity mirror that is the symbolic representation of the Lagoon of Guatavita. Also, thanks to the Arduino, I managed to create the song of the Pirates of the Caribbean. Each time the person gets close to the ultrasonic sensor, this happens. Also, I decided to create some 3D and 2D objects, so each time the person gets their mobile phones or their tablets, they can scan the different QRs that you can find in my mirror and get to see the lost objects of the Lagoon of Guatavita.